Welcome to yet another unboxing video here on my channel. This is Andy in Singapore and it's yet another G-Shock. So I've officially gone insane and I forgot how many G-Shock squares I've been buying recently. So this joins in the family. Let me just flip open the cover here of the tin can. There you go. Ta-da! So this is yet another Bluetooth square. So I've lost count of how many Bluetooth squares I've bought, and this one here came in as a used watch, but the condition here, I would think it's pretty good. Alright, looks as good as new. No visible wear and tear or any breakage of the straps or anything like that, so nothing to complain about. So this is the Bluetooth Square GWB 5600 and it comes on negative display as well as blue accents around the screen. So before I collected this watch, I was expecting the glass here, the mineral glass here, to be tinted, a bit like the gold one that I unboxed last week. So this one here clearly has a tinting done on the crystal, which is of course mineral crystal, but this one here doesn't seem like it has a tinting to it. So it's just a blue border here around the screen. But I'm loving these blue accents over here. But of course, these days I'm actually liking the positive display G-Shocks more and more. And I think the reason here is obvious, alright? So as we age, I think these negative displays can be a little bit tricky to read at certain angles or under certain lighting conditions. As you can see, it is quite similar to the digital camouflage that I have. And if you ask me, I think from this shot here, alright, this one here on my right has a better legibility when compared to the latest watch that I've purchased. Alright, I'm not too sure if it's the lighting or whatever. It does seem like legibility here is worse, even worse than the one that I already have. So I've definitely fell in love with all these G-Shock squares, especially the Bluetooth Square series GWB 5600, because they're so packed with features, tough solar, multi-band, Bluetooth connection, whatever you want, and comes in a very good size. And I would say in terms of affordability, they're also, at a very good price point. That's why it is so fun to collect these watches. In terms of fit and wearability, I would say these G-Shock squares, they are unrivaled in the entire catalog of G-Shocks. Alright, they wear so well, not overly thick, and minimal to no lug gaps, and overall the look here is just very pleasing. So I don't think I'll be doing a detailed review video on these Bluetooth squares, but I might do a comparison video or an introduction video to all the G-Shock squares, especially these Bluetooth squares that I've been acquired recent weeks. Totally gone insane, definitely need to go for therapy soon. Okay. So this is Andy in Singapore. I'll see you next week. Bye bye.